This is Chris Zubrycki with RE/MAX Fine Properties. I'm the BJJ broker, and I specialize in probate and inherited properties in Maricopa County, Arizona. Today we are at an inherited property with a septic system. The property is under contract and we are performing a septic pump and certification. A seller needs to have this completed within 6 months prior to close of escrow, but no later than 20 days after contract acceptance. Issue: the owner who inherited the property has no idea where the tanks are located. Solution: call a licensed and bonded septic company and they can find the tanks for you.
Awesome. And all it does is send a signal to the wand, so we'll be able to find out.
That's awesome. If you're dealing with a probate or inherited property and you're not sure whether it's septic or where the tank is, don't guess. Bring in a licensed and bonded septic company and get it located safely and correctly. If you want more real-world tips for inherited and probate properties in Arizona, please subscribe. And if you need help navigating an inherited home sale, my contact info is in the description. My name's Chris Zubrycki. I'm with RE/MAX Fine Properties. I'm the BJJ broker, and I've been fighting for my clients since 2001. Thank you for watching. Here are links to previous probate and inherited properties that I've prepped for market and sold for past clients.